I'd like to invite you to Interdependence, the second of a series of workshops that I'm offering this year through Living Bridges around the theme of nonviolent communication and social change. Nonviolent communication is also known as NVC. And we'll be exploring in these workshops what the value of NVC can be in social change work. And while they are a series of workshops, you don't have to have attended one to attend the other. So if you missed the first one in February, that's okay. You can still join this one. In this workshop, we're going to explore interdependence in the context of social change work. Social change to me means what naturally starts to unfold when I take care of my own needs, my own self, and when I take care of the world. And even between these two pieces, there is a natural interdependence. In this workshop, we're also going to look at interdependence as a balance between accountability and trust. Accountability to myself, to my values, my commitments, my needs, and trust, which has a couple of layers. The first layer is, of course, trusting that what I do, what I bring has value and matters in the context of my collective, my community. And trust in the community and the collective itself, that I am part of a larger whole. I'm part of my family, I'm part of my community, I'm part of my species, I'm part of this planet. So this is what we're going to explore in this workshop. I really look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.